Ladies and gentlemen, you have both sides available. Please step down.
It's the daily crush. 2.5 million passengers surging through airport security checkpoints. Starting today, TSA officers now offering a friendly warning.
Next year, make sure you have the star on your ID because you have to be in compliance with the Real ID Act. You just won't be accepted next year, okay?
As of October 1st, 2020, you won't be able to fly if your driver's license doesn't have a Real ID star in the top corner. With the clock ticking, state DMV offices are bustling.
I know it's kind of hot outside, but be patient with us. It's cool inside, believe me.
In Virginia, they've even deployed mobile DMVs to handle the load. Everybody required to prove their identity with 4 forms of ID.
I brought my passport, so I have a valid passport. I brought my social security card.
And 2 more, like a current driver's license, a utility bill, payroll stub, birth certificate, or military ID. If you've changed your last name, you'll need proof, a marriage or divorce certificate. It's not just flying, you're also going to need a Real ID to enter a military base or even a government building.
Don't wait till the last minute, and absolutely, when you come in, be prepared.
Passed after 9/11, the Real ID law creates a single national standard for all 50 states.
It doesn't matter when your license expired. By October 2020, it has to be Real ID compliant or you will not be permitted to fly.
13 months till the deadline, enough time to gather your documents. If you don't get a Real ID, you'll need a military ID or passport just to fly inside the U.S. Tom Costello, NBC News, Herndon, Virginia.